western part of the continent we have, I said that in the western part of the continent, grey brown soil, and here it is a temperate cyclone and westerlies are causing rainfall. Yes or no? Temperate cyclone and westerlies, so it is in a region of 150 to 200 centimeter rainfall. This is the temperate cyclonic rainfall. And there will be if there is 150 and 200 centimeters, so which kind of forest will be there? ये कैसा जोन आ गया? कोल्ड आ गया या मॉडरेट टेम्परेचर जोन? Moderate temperature, yes or no? So there can be some coniferous pine tree, and some trees are, I said that can be what is a broadleaf. So यहाँ पे कैसा forest मिलेगा? Mixed forest. Which kind of forest will get? Mixed forest in this part of the western part of the continent. Understood? So there will be a less green vegetation, or it will be less vegetation. Less green. The reason is what? Yes, ये सब ध्यान में रखेंगे. It will help in the climatic classification. वहाँ पे vegetation वगैरह लिखना पड़ता है. Rainfall is this much and all. Why it is happening? Simple वही कुछ है नहीं वहाँ पर. I said that. Understood it? तो यहाँ पे grey brown soil, and this is the grey brown soil. So what we are going to see at grey brown soil, and where it is 40 to 55 degree north, or it is also available in the South America little bit. In the north to hai, similarly in the South America, in this region Argentina. Understood? Not in Australia, little bit you can say New Zealand, but New Zealand doesn't have. So because there is no land, only the South America is the region where you can have, I said that, grey brown soil. And in the grey brown soil, that rainfall, यहाँ पे कहाँ पे हो रहा है? It is on the western part of continent. Clear? And you can say that it is also, ये region जो है British type of climate, इसको क्या बोलते हैं? British type of, it is in a steppe type, or it is in a, यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा British, और ये steppe, और it is China. क्या बोलते हैं हम? Which type of climate? British, steppe and China. So you can say that it is coming under which type of climate? British type of climate. And then we can be able to see western part of the continent, and here the rainfall is 150 to 200 centimeter. Temperature, what is the temperature? Moderate. And then vegetation is mixed. Forest. I said here it is Fe2O3 in the top soil and Al2O3. इसको दोनों को क्या कहा जाता है? Together they are known as sesquioxide. Together Fe2O3 and Al2O3. Yesterday I said sesquioxide and calcium carbonate, and I said that silica. कितना rainfall हो रहा है? Just tell me. How much rainfall? 150 to 200. Calcium carbonate will dissolve or not? ये easily dissolve हो जाएगा. And calcium carbonate, yes, will calcium carbonate will go down the layer. Calcium carbonate will go down the layer, and some very less calcium carbonate. छोटा सा लिखा है मैंने. Some calcium carbonate will be also on the top. Understood it? Clear? Some calcium carbonate will be on the top, and some calcium carbonate has gone down. Now silica जाएगा या नहीं जाएगा? Silica will go down or not? Huh? Silica कब जाता है? When very heavy rainfall. Yes or not? Silica will go down when there is a very heavy rainfall. It is not a very heavy rainfall. And यहाँ पे throughout the year temperate cyclone does the rainfall. So the silica एक समय में ही नहीं, वहाँ पे every day, after every month there is a rainfall. There is a rainfall by the temperate cyclone. Understood it? And you can, but not regular. So therefore heavy rainfall causes to go down. The rainfall is there, but regular, not heavy rainfall. So silica will remain on the top. And now tell me, In the moderate temperature में क्या होगा? They will be, vegetation will be in organic acid or it will convert into humus. There will be convert into humus. But the tree will take faster time to convert humus, or grasses will take faster. Who will convert faster into humus? Grasses soft होता है, their decomposition is faster, and the tree will take some time. So tree has taken some time, लेकिन little bit acid will be also there. In the tree case, there is a mixed forest. तो यहाँ पे क्या होगा? 90% humus and some 90% का मतलब पूरा humus नहीं हुआ है. There will be humus also. Better to write humus, but I said some organic acid. थोड़ा सा रहेगा, little. Complete decompose होकर humus नहीं दिया. Understood it? And what will happen? Organic acid, and in this case Fe2O3, थोड़ा सा Fe2O3 will come down little bit, yes or not, and some other metals, little bit, not more. इसका मतलब अभी भी टॉप पे क्या है? सॉइल में क्या है? Fe2O3 ही is there, Al2O3 is there, and other metals are also there. Clear? Humus. Now we can be able to see humus and organic acid का कलर क्या होगा? Third picture you can do. Its color is black. And what is the color of this? Iron oxides and aluminum oxide. They will oxidize in the presence of water and oxygen, and they will give us which color? Red. So what is the color of this? Red. And what is the color of silica and calcium carbonate? Light color or white color? Is it clear? So black with red, what color it will mix? Brown color. Red with black, यहाँ पे mix हो जाता है पूरा. Red with black it will mix brown color, and white with black it will make ash type नहीं, क्योंकि वहाँ पे क्या था? Comparatively rainfall less. So it will become grey soil. It will become black and white become grey. So this soil is able to, this combination will make grey, and this combination will make brown. So we are able to get which soil? I said that grey, brown soil. So I said that what is happening? Humus is there with little organic acid, और ये अच्छा भी होता है soil के लिए. Humus is there, and this humus with the oxidized iron and aluminum gives us brown color. What it gives us? And humus with the silica and calcium carbonate gives us grey color. Yes. So there is what? On the top, most of the things are available. Calcium is available, silica along with the micronutrient is available, and Fe2O3, Al2O3, and some humus is also available. So this soil is what? Fertile soil. This soil is what? So this soil becomes, just tell me. Fertile soil. Understood? This soil become fertile soil. थोड़ा सा इसमें हमें fertilizer डालने की जरूरत पड़ेगी because something has gone down with little fertilizer. Understood? और यहाँ पे they are very good at what they used to leave the land fallow. And if you have gone through, if you read the von Thunen theory for agricultural location theory, आप लोग देखोगे कि last stage में जब fourth circle में जाते हैं, वहाँ पर fourth, fifth, sixth circle में the three field system, along with I said that fallow land. Means I said that part of a land will be, I said that there will be, what is an three parts of it they will do agriculture, one part will be what? Fallow. Understood? And make the live, if you leave the land fallow, then what happened? जब fallow करोगे, there is no growth of grasses, and when there is no growth of grasses, the grasses will accept the carbon dioxide, and they started fixing what? Hydrocarbons in the soil. Yes or not? And the other microorganism in the soil, they started fixing nitrogen in the soil. So they started making the soil too full of nutrients. Once you know that earlier, I was around 11th class, I was, and my mother was doing gardening, and I have a big land in front of my house. So I said that half of the reason is gardening and rest it is horticulture. So my mother did did radish and all, and the radish and then every kind, and onion on the other side. We have seen that lots of onion, and the radish was like this, and we have given everyone nearby houses. Next year, being a kid and all, we are thinking again there will be radish, this much of radish. I started thinking what is happening. So my Mali said that they have lost the nutrient. I was not knowing what is the nutrient at that time. You know, so जब कोई समझाएगा ही नहीं, तो how can I understand what is the nutrient? फिर once I left the land fallow and again I grow, then again I said that something is happening like this. So that time again, the fallowing the land is again helping the what, making it what? Nutrient. But in India, this is one of the problem of whole north and maybe in the south also. There is, I said that fallowing the land concept is not there. Putting the large number of what is enough fertilizer. When I will come on to the topic soil erosion and soil conservation, we will see the different parts of India what is happening. I said, so this is I said that, और कभी भी organism रहेगा. Yesterday मैंने organism का भी कल नाम लिया था, macroorganism, microorganism. Soil is a function of climate, organism, relief, parent, maintain time. So organism hold the soil. Organism do not, if the lack of the organism make the soil friable, wind can easily take it away, and then rainfall can make the seat wash and all. So we have been able to see the grey brown soil is productive with little fertilizer. We have to give on fertilizer, and they are very good at what, fallowing the land in between. Understood? But Indian concept mein there is a high demand of what? Food security, and then our most of the farmers are what is below marginal or marginal farmers, and they can't leave the fallow land, otherwise they cannot survive. It is very much, I said that, is this clear? So our farmers are doing subsistence type of agriculture, not subsistence, but they are also doing intensive. So we have been able to see grey brown soil on the western part of the continent. Next one I said prairie soil. And prairie soil, it is, I said that it is existing around, I said that 40 to 50 degree, 55 on an average मैंने कहा, 40 to 50 degree north. And it is also available in the, अभी बताऊंगा. If I say that temperature, rainfall को पहले देखेंगे, rainfall by coming into this region, from there moisture, temperate cyclone is also going westerly. इस region में आते आते क्या हो जाता है? Amount of soil, amount of rainfall reduces, moisture reduces, rainfall become around 50 to 70 centimeter. How much rainfall become? Similarly in this zone, similarly in the, I said that, so जब rainfall 50 to 70 centimeter it will be there. So what is that? They will grow tree, or there will be grasses. So there will be what? Grass. At 50 centimeters, 60 centimeters, 70 centimeters, we cannot expect of what is a tree, means forest kind of, except few trees, there will be lots of grasses. And that region become temperate grassland. That region become temperate grassland. So the first I said that, what is the rainfall here it is? I said 50 to 70 centimeter. And then temperature is little colder than moderate temperature. जो यहाँ पे moderate था, अंदर में जाएंगे तो थोड़ा सा ठंडा बढ़ जाता है. Yes or not? Interior part will be little colder than moderate temperature. And vegetation कैसा होगा? Vegetation is what? Temperate grassland. What is the vegetation? I said that temperate grassland. In Europe and Asia, this is known as, I said that, steppe. In USA and Canada, that is, I said, North America, it is known as prairie. In Argentina, South America, it is known as, I said that, pampas. In South Africa country, in Africa, it is known as veld. In I said Australia, it is known as downs. In New Zealand, it is known as Canterbury. And China का Manchurian plain, China Manchurian plain is also some kind of it, but it is not completely temperate grassland, but some kind of it. And these are known as the parkland area of the world. Parkland area of the world. Parkland area of the world. And it is also known as this temperate grassland. हमें क्या देता है? Wheat basket. It is also यहाँ पे the second most productive soil of the world, and it is also known as wheat basket of the world. Parkland area of the world, and it is also known as, I said that, wheat basket of the world. Understood? Now the grasses are so here we have I said that Fe2O3 plus Al2O3, and here we have calcium carbonate plus silica. And yesterday I have talked about, chalo. So I said the temperature is moderate, and here we have, I said that, lots of grasses are, and these grasses will fast decompose. They will decompose fast, and they will provide us humus. And humus is how much? 7% to 10%. अच्छा, ये percent क्या है? What is the meaning of this percent? Percent is always with respect to something. Yes, 500 marks या 600 marks किसके रिस्पेक्ट में 7%? ये भी तो पता होना चाहिए. It is in a percent with respect to the total soil. If suppose 1 kg soil is there, then that one humus will be 70 gram or 100 gram. Understood? If 1 kg soil is there, उस total soil में कितना humus होगा? That is in a 7% and 10%. Now, the rainfall is how much? 50 to 70 centimeter. Will calcium carbonate will go down? No. Silica will go down? No. Acid is there? No. So all the minerals will be intact on the top. All minerals will be intact on the top with the, what is, I said that, humus. Understood? With humus. Can I say that it is the most fertile soil? Can I say, understand why it is most fertile? All minerals are there. Along with, I said that. समझ में आ रहा है why? mid latitude countries supports the base soil because the presence of humus and the temperature it is also making, and but at the same time rainfall does not making it to go down. Yes or not? Organic acid is also not there, so therefore all metals are on the top. We can see most